Hello, U9. Little video is a revision on 701, and so the reason I'm doing this is so you can use it in future when you come across a assessment task. We're doing all this. Okay. Now, here is our aims, what we're trying to do with all of these. The idea is to first tidy up both sides of the equal sign. And number 4 here, end up with a variable on one side and a number on the other. So we end up somewhere after working out till we get to the point where we've got w equals a number. That's what we're going to get to. Variable on one side, number on the other. Now the way that we get there to tidy up is to do the opposite operation. So let's have a look at this one. We've got to question 1a, 5w plus 3. So we've got a variable, a number, variable, number. Now, what we're going to do is put the variables on one side only. So we're going to move this away. And the way to do it is to do the opposite operation. Now that's 2w. So we're going to subtract 2w. So that now 2w. So when you look into these things and you see variables on both sides, get rid of the variable on the right hand side first by doing, that's plus 2w. We're going to do minus 2w. And when you do that, that minus that is nothing, so then that gives us the first aim is to tidy it up, so that's now gone. Then the third aim, do the same to both sides of the equal sign. So we're going to take 2w away from all this. Now we can't take 2w away from 3, but we can take 2w away from 5w. 5w minus 2w, all that's left is 3w. So now we've done it, but we've still got the plus 3 there. Okay. So now we've done our first bit of tidying up. There's no variables on this side. That's good. Next, we go here and we see, well, there's a variable here, number, number. So we now get rid of this number here, the plus 3. So we're going to do the opposite to plus 3, which is minus 3. We're going to take 3 away from this side and this side. If we do it on this side first, 21 minus 3 is 18. And then when we do it to this side, we can't take 3 away from 3w, but we can away from plus 3. So the 3w stays. But the plus 3 minus 3 is nothing, so now that's gone. So the whole idea is to remove things that shouldn't be there by doing the opposite. So the first thing was remove the variable here. The second thing we remove the number there. Now we're getting close. But we've still got to get to w equals something. Now the next step is to make that 3w into a w. And the way to do it is to look at that and say, well, that's 3 times w. So how about we do the opposite of times and do a divide by 3. We're going to divide that by 3, we get to w. That coefficient there, 3, divide by the 3, you get you to 3w divided by 3 is w. Then we do the same on this side. Point number 3, 18 divided by 3 is 6. So there's 1a. Very quick, I'll do 1g and explain as I go. So I'll just do the question first. Hey, there's an a there. A minus 9. Okay, again, variables both sides. We don't want So we'll get rid of this one first. Plus a, we do a minus a. Take a away from there means that it's gone. All we're left is this one, minus 9. Take a away, gone. Then we're going to do the same to both sides, 0.3, same to both sides. So I'm going to take a away from this. I can't take away from that one, so the 9 stays. Now minus 2a minus another a makes it minus 3a. There we go. We've now tidied up this side very well. All that's left is a number. And we've got number variable on this side. So now we have to get rid of the number here. And that is a 9 plus 9, so we're going to take 9 away. Minus 9. That will get rid of that. I'm going to do it to this side first though. Minus 9 minus 9 is minus 18. Negative 9 minus 9 is negative 18. That minus 9 is 0, so that can effectively disappear. All we're left with is this. And we're getting close. We've got variable, number. What we need to get is to get to a equals something. That's what we end up with. Now minus 3, to get to a, you have to divide by the coefficient. Minus 3. Divide by minus 3. That will do it for us. But then 0.3, do the same to both sides. Negative 18 divided by negative 3. Negative divided by negative is a positive. A equals 6. Okay, lastly, with a minimum of explanation, I'll just say it as I do it. Yeah, variables on both sides. I'm going to remove that. So minus 11x, I'm going to plus 11. That means that's gone. Left with minus 15. Going to do the add the 11 to that one. Minus 6 plus 11. That's plus 5. Minus 6x plus 11 is plus 5. Yep. Now we've got this side just a number, which is good. Number variable this side, so that this 10's got to go. And we're going to take 10 away. The whole idea is to tidy it up. Take 10 away from there, that's gone. 5x is all that's left. But we're going to take 10 away from here. That's minus 15 minus 10 is minus 25. 5x to x, we divide by 5. That takes us to x. Do the same on both sides. Minus 25 divided by 5 is minus 5. There we go. Revision on 701.